Hello everyone, welcome. It's Juliet here. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Potomac Beads treasure box for the month of September. And for those of you who don't know what that is, this is a monthly subscription box that Potomac Beads offers. Now this is the treasure box, which means it's a just a curated themed collection of beads, and obviously every month is a different theme and different beads, so it's always fun to look inside and see what you're getting. They also offer a second type of subscription box, which is called the kit box, and that one comes with 3 projects, instructions and materials to make those projects. But this one is the treasure box. Okay, so let's take a look and see what our theme is for the month of September. Ocean Vault. Ooh, dive into a sea of inspiration with this month's Best Bead Box Treasure Edition, featuring Caribbean blues and warm ocean tones. It's like unearthing a hidden trove of seaside gems. Okay, well that sounds really nice. And if you flip over to the back here, you can see there is a list of everything that is included in the box. These boxes, I've said before, very good value for money. If you add up what you're getting in the box, you're getting more value than what you're paying for it. So, and they're just a really fun way to kind of get some beads. And especially if you're a new beader and you don't have a big stash, this is a great way to build it up. So anyway, oh, greens, ooh, blues, purple, is that purple? What, do my eyes deceive me? Kind of a cornflower looking. Okay, looks very, very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out, lay it out, and we'll take a closer look. Okay, I am back, and here is everything that you are getting in this month's collection. So it's all kind of different shades of blue and green, which, I mean, who doesn't like these colors, right? So pretty. I did get a little free gift of some iris duos in jet full AB as well. So that's always nice to get a little freebie. Okay, so up here, first of all, we have this long Magnesite barrel bead, which is a nice statement bead, and it is 30 millimeters long. So kind of cool, you know, for the center or even like a part of a drop, you know, nice accent bead. Okay. Then these sweet little things here. These are some little butterfly beads, Czech glass butterfly beads in blue AB, and some of them are more towards the blue side. Some of them have a little bit more yellow, so they're all kind of all different, but you get 5 of those. So very sweet, cute little butterflies there. Next up here, we have some Czech bellflower beads, and these they are calling blue copper. It's kind of like a cornflower blue with the little copper accents on them. So you get a decent number of those as well. Very cute for a fringe. Next up here we have a Claspgarten clasp in antique brass, and it does have a little Swarovski crystal on it, so very nice. It's just plain on the back. Very, very pretty clasp though. I'm quite chuffed with that. These are really nice. And then here you also are getting a nice big set of Czech dagger beads. So these are the 6 by 13 millimeter one hole daggers, and you get a pack of 50 of those. So you get a really big number of those. Then here we have some 4 millimeter bicones. These are so pretty. I love this color. They are calling this Opaque Fern AB. Isn't that so pretty? I just love the kind of that color. So pretty. Like, yeah, I love that. So yeah, you get a nice big pack of those, a pack of 60 of those. And then next here we are getting some Czech flower bead caps in a just a mix, a blue mix, ocean mix they're calling it. So these are so cute. So you're getting this color here, and then these kind of cornflower, and then these pretty aqua ones. Very cute. Here we're getting a little pile of Potomac pearls. Oops, got a little something in there. Some Potomac pearls, and these are called pastel green, and they're 6mm. So you're getting a set of, I think it's 20, or thereabouts, 18 possibly. Let me see, 5, 10, 15, 17. So you're getting a little pack of pearls. And then up here we have this big strand of fire polish beads. These are 10mm. Very sparkly, very pretty, nice color. I don't know what the color is because it doesn't say on them, but you get a full strand of that. And then again, some another color of 4mm bicones. We had these ones here, but we're also getting these ones here, which are Montana blue. Very pretty. And again, you get 60 of those. So you're getting 60 of these, 60 of those. All right. Next up here, we are getting some Azuki 80 seed beads. And these are the silver lined aqua. And again, you're getting a good pile of those as well. And then here we have some Miyuki 3mm cube beads, and this is such a cool color. I love these. These are cobalt matte. So these are Miyuki cubes, 3mm. Aren't those gorgeous? I just love that color. Next up here, we are getting some round trios. So these are 3-hole beads, and they are 6mm round, but it's really useful to have 3 different holes because you can join beads in different ways using these. These are the metallic aqua color, so you get more than what I'm showing. You get those as well. Okay. Then here we're getting some storm duos, and these are really fun. So you can see the shape of them here. You can flip them over either way so they can face each other. And these are also 2-hole beads. This color is called metallic emerald. And you're getting a pack of 42 of those. You're getting 20 of the round trios. And I absolutely adore these. I always love these beads, these Czech tulip beads whenever we get them. They're like so pretty. Anyway, this color is called Blue Luster Gold Wash, and I think these are gorgeous. They're so pretty. So you get 9 of those. Aren't those gorgeous? I love the blue. I love the gold. I love the shape of them. I just love those. Next up here, we are getting 2 endless forms. So these are just some shapes that you can use to bead around. Endless ring, they're called. And these are antique brass 30mm across. So you get 2 of those. And last but not least here, we get a spool of the Potomac beading wire. And this is the 7-strand. And you're getting 5 meters, and so that'll keep you going. This is the stainless steel color, so you can do some good stringing with this. So always useful to get. Okay, so that is everything in the box. If you are interested in finding out more about pricing and the different box options that there are, then do click the link below because it depends. The pricing actually decreases if you get a longer subscription. So if you kind of subscribe month to month, you're going to be paying more than someone that subscribes for 3 months or 12 months. Okay, so make sure you do go and check all of that out. And we will be doing a project using these beads, some of these beads, this week, probably on Friday. I will put a video out for that. So stay tuned for that, okay? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.